Hello everybody, my name is Amy and welcome back to Artburst Sillies. Now today we are going to talk about food. I love food, any kind of food, sweet food, savoury food, you name it, I love it. Now I'm going to read to you today a story which is called Lunchtime. This is by somebody called Rebecca Cobb and it's published by Macmillan UK. Now in this storybook there is lots of different food. Can you see there's some tomato soup, there's some sandwiches, there's an apple, lots of lovely food. But the little girl in the story has got some visitors that come and watch her while she's eating her food and help her enjoy her lunch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get you to join in the actions because that's what we do at Artburst Sillies. Now, some of these actions are Makaton signs. There is a crocodile in the book. So when we see the crocodile, we're going to do the sign for crocodile, which is this. Snap, snap, crocodile. And there is a bear in the book. Can you see the bear there? So when we see the bear, we're going to do the sign for bear, which is this. Can you do this? Bear. And there is also a wolf. A wolf. This is the sign for wolf. So, crocodile, bear, wolf. And as well in the story, she waits for a very long time. So we're going to be a clock and we're going to go tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. And also her tummy starts to rumble. So can you rub your tummy and can you go rumble, rumble, brrr. Has your tummy ever rumbled? I think mine's rumbling right now. Okay, so this story is called Lunchtime by Rebecca Cobb and it's published by Macmillan UK. Are you ready to join in? I do hope so. Look, there she is. And there's an apple. Beautiful illustration. Look at those fantastic colours. At lunchtime, Mum said, "Eat up." I said, "No thanks, I'm a bit too busy." But Mum got cross and told me to sit at the table. So I sat at the table. I sat there for a long time. Tick, tock, tick, tock. "Are you going to eat that?" asked the crocodile. Snap. "Can I have some?" asked the bear. "Apples are my favourite," said the wolf. I said, but I thought you liked eating small children." "Oh no," said the crocodile. "Children taste disgusting." "Horrible," said the wolf. "Revolting," said the bear. "We would much rather eat your lunch." "It is delicious," said the bear. "Exquisite," said the crocodile. "Yum, yum," said the wolf. Soon they had eaten it all up. "Thank you very much," said the bear. "It's a shame you didn't want any," said the crocodile. "That was the best lunch we've ever eaten," said the wolf. Then Mum came back and she was pleased. "What a nice clean plate," she said. "After that, I played all afternoon, but my tummy was very noisy." Before long it was dinner time. Mum said, eat up. And I did. Every last bit. Oh, look, can you see who's watching? I think they want to eat it, don't you? And that's the end of this lovely story by Rebecca Cobb, published by Macmillan UK. Isn't it a nice book? I really like that one. Now, I'm going to do a bit of reading of my Home Sweet Home book here. This is nice, this book. And then, oh, I'm feeling a bit hungry. I might just put a marker in it. I need some kind of a bookmark for this book. Libby, could you maybe make me a bookmark?